Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a Vitthal sketch. First, gather your essential drawing tools. You'll need a few pencils, like a 2B for light lines and a 4B for darker shading, along with good quality drawing paper and a kneaded eraser. Selecting a clear reference image of Vitthal is crucial for capturing his divine form accurately. Make sure your drawing area is well lit and comfortable for an enjoyable creative process. Now, let's establish the foundational structure. Begin by lightly sketching the head as an oval and the torso as a rectangle or cylinder. Use simple geometric shapes to block out the main body parts, ensuring correct proportions. Vitthal's iconic stance, with hands on hips, requires careful attention to arm and leg placement. Aim for a balanced and harmonious outline before adding any details. This initial framework is key to a successful drawing. With the basic outline in place, it's time to bring Vitthal to life with details. Carefully draw his serene facial features, ensuring the eyes convey his peaceful nature. Next, add his distinctive crown, earrings, and necklaces, paying close attention to their intricate designs. His hands, resting on his hips, and his feet, standing on a brick, are symbolic and require precise rendering. Use lighter lines for initial placement, then darken as you gain confidence. Finally, let's add depth and refine your Vitthal sketch. Begin by applying light shading to define the forms, using a 2B or 4B pencil. Gradually build up darker tones in areas like under the chin, within the folds of clothing, and around the ornaments to create a three-dimensional effect. Use a kneaded eraser to lift highlights and soften edges. Take a step back, review your work, and make any final adjustments to achieve a polished and reverent depiction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.